Hello, friends. Hope you are doing great today. Happy Monday to you. We are going to get started here with a full body workout and no equipment necessary for this one. Let's go ahead and get started with that warm up, and we're going to start with a march, arm swings, and we can do some little shrugs up and down with those arms. Nice. We can start raising those legs and taking it a little slower, or option for those raises in the air. Remember, every time we're warming up, you're just finding out where your body is today. It's in a different place every day. So we want to find out where that is in that warm-up, get our blood pumping, oxygen flowing throughout the body. Nice, looking good, guys. I'm here with the live crew this morning. Good. You can always join us jumping over to exercisetofeelgood.com or BritHallFitness.com and sign up for classes. Beautiful. Let's take those arms down into those shrugs again, maybe some shoulder rolls. Nice. How about some leg curls in those legs? Nice. Kicking it back. Familiar with this one, right, guys? Good. Heels right back to the booty. Belly button into spine. Chest up. Getting that breathing going. Good. Nice. Looking good. So we just have a couple of exercises here. Warm-up moves. Hi. And then we're going to get started on our workout today. 4 movements. All right. We're going to get started with some arm circles here in 3, in 2, and in 1. Feet hip width apart. You can shake out those legs a little bit. Arm circles up to the sides, laterally. So 4 movements. We're going to go through them 3 times. Bring those arms right back down again. Looking good. Just follow along. You know me, I like to chat. So 3 times through. First time a minute. Second time 45 seconds. Last round, we're going to go 30 seconds. So first one, we're going to kind of go through a little bit. Let's do it again. A little bit of a description of those exercises. Figure it out. And then when we come back through, 45 seconds, we're going to go straight through each move. And then we'll last around 30 seconds. And I have some stretches for you, of course, to cool it down and then get on with your day. All right. Now, this is going to be the last one. So let's shake everything out. Hope everything's feeling good. We're going to get started with our first movement. It's going to be some walkouts with some front arm raises, okay? So walkouts is going to be that good morning or deadlift, push back of the hips, right? We're looking for the stretch in that hamstring. Arms are going to come down. We're going to walk those arms out into a plank. Okay, nice. Now, if your plank is down at the knees, that's fine. Take a rest there and then come back. Squeeze the booty up and bring those arms as high as you can. Now, listen again to your body. So if they're only coming up to parallel with the ground, that's great. If you can take them all the way up, awesome. Okay, let's head out. Take about 45 more seconds in this movement. Beautiful. Nice, looking good. Squeeze the booty to bring it up and arms up high. Excellent, good. Nice little full body movement there, strength and stretch. Good, and we're halfway through, so we got about 30 seconds left here. In this movement, we're just always using that rear end, those big glute muscles. Strong, keeping us nice and sturdy. Love it. Looking good, just 15 seconds left, so we can probably get another one in here. Nice. Then we're going to go to that next movement. I'll explain it, walk through it with me, and then we'll continue on for our minute. 3, and 2, and 1. Awesome. So we're going to do a lunge, step back lunge, straight leg or bent leg. Feet are hip width apart. Right, so we don't want them right next to each other, hip width apart. Step back with one leg. Feet are facing the same direction. You can leave it here in a nice straight leg, or you can take it down in a bent leg. And then let's take those arms up, lateral raise. Back down, step up. Step back, either leave it in that straight leg, lunge, lateral raise, or bend the knee down. Nice. Continue on, 45 seconds to make a full minute for each of these movements. Nice, we're going to alternate. So if you have worked out with me before, you know that I am not the best at remembering what side we do. So I usually alternate our movements. Side to side legs, nice. Good. Switch sides here for you. Just directions. Nice, everyone's looking really great. So any problems in those knees, any tenderness, you can take that straight leg option in the back rather than bending down. Still getting that nice lateral movement. 3, 2, and 1. Okay, next movement is a little bit advanced, but we can give it a shot. It is a single leg deadlift. So remember when we did the walkouts, when we did that deadlift, pushing the hips back. Now we're going to do just one leg. So grab a wall or a chair if we haven't done this before. Bend those knees. One leg is going to lift. You can take it as far as you want. You can just be right here. You can really take it down. And then I just want you to squeeze the glute muscle, your rear end muscle, and the standing leg. You're going to squeeze to bring you back up again. How cool is that, right? Nice. So again, using that little bit of assistance, push that hip back. All right, you're looking for that stretch in the hamstring. Then on that standing leg, that glute squeeze, bring it up. Nice. This is a super controlled movement, so we're only going to get a couple of them each round, and that's just fine. All right, beautiful. Loving this hinge movement. Beautiful. You can keep it low, just right here. Not too far back, or you can really take it down. Squeeze that muscle. Good. Let's go ahead and give us time to do one more on one leg, whatever leg you're on. Good. And squeeze. Beautiful. Nice job. Would you like that one? All right, last one's going to be standing bicycles. So just like we were doing a crunch on the ground, bicycles, we're going to do that standing. All right, so one shoulder kind of going towards the opposite leg, crunching in that bottom of the rib cage into the top of the hip bone. Crunch and crunch. A little bit of an oblique movement. Now you can just hold your hands at your hips. You can hold them up to the side. You can hold them up by your ears. Or you can get that drive motion with the arms. Beautiful. And as we come in, I want you to let all that air out. Good. Okay. Oh, I like those fists. Yeah, that's looking good. Boom. And boom. Yeah. Y'all are looking pretty spicy for a Monday morning. What you guys do this weekend? Looking good. All right. Push and push. Oh my gosh, we just have about 10 seconds left here. And then we're going to do those 4 movements again. But this time 45 seconds, and we're going to go back to back to back to back. I'll talk you through it, but no little explanation beforehand to walk through. 3 and 2 and 1. Nice. Good. Shake it out. Let's head to those walkouts. Nice. Feet hip width apart. Now on these, if you need a little bit more stability, you can put those feet out a little wider if you want a little more challenge. In to the center. Let's get started. In 3, in 2, and in 1. Pushing those hips back. 45 seconds. Nice. Hitting that plank. Coming back up, and we're going to get that front arm raise. So squeeze the booty. Bring your arms as high as they can. Nice. Hips back. Walk it out. We're about halfway through. 20 seconds left here. And squeeze on up. Looking good. Nice. Walk it out. Pause. Beautiful. Always remember you can take it to the knees on that plank. Also, if you're not feeling those planks, you can always just do a nice good morning, pushing those hips back, a deadlift stretch, and then bringing those arms up. 3, 2, and 1. Going right into those lunges. Step back. Feet are going the same direction. Optional bend down. Arms laterally raise. Feet together. Step back. Looking good. Make sure those feet are fed in the same direction. Optional knee down. Lateral raise. Beautiful. Nice leg back. Feet straight together. Optional knee down. Lateral raise. Nice. Oh my gosh, we are almost done here with our 45 seconds. Halfway through here. Nice. Give me 3 and 2 and 1. Go to that single leg deadlift. I can say it. All right. So, little bend in the knees. We're going to let one leg raise as we push the hips back, looking for that stretch in the hamstring. You can take it all the way down if you want. I have my hand on my thigh for a little bit of assistance, and then squeeze that standing glute muscle to come back up. Nice. Pushing the hip back. Looking good. Squeeze that glute muscle to come up. Love it. All right. All right, we are getting close to our 45 seconds here. Squeeze. We got about 10 seconds if you want to get one more in here. Beautiful. Holding on to a wall or chair for assistance. Oh, we are going to feel that tomorrow. All right. Last one, standing bicycles. Remember, we're going to crunch and crunch. 45 seconds here. Hands on the hips, bringing that top of the rib or bottom of the rib cage into the top of the hips. All over the place on a Monday. I love it. We got this. Need to get some of what you guys got there. You can send me some of that energy through the screen. All right. Loving it. You guys are laughing. I love it. All right, we got about 10 seconds left here. And then just one round left in our stretches. Next one's going to be 30-second round. Hello, coming in 3 and 2 and 1. Good. Shake it out. It's going to go so quick. You're not going to believe it. Ready? We're going to get started with those walkouts. Front arm raises coming up in 3, 2, and 1. Push those hips back. All right. A little bend in the knees. Take it out. Just 30 seconds here. So maybe only getting 1 or 2. That's okay. We're going to keep that body moving and then get that nice stretch. Love it. Take it out. And arm raise. When we come up, I forgot to arm raise last time. Beautiful. 3, 2, and 1. We're heading right into those lunges. We might just get 1 on each side. That's okay. Lateral raise. All right. Switch sides. And even if we're not super duper even, that's okay. All right. Beautiful. I think I'm going to sneak 1 more in here. We got about 5 more seconds. And 3, and 2, and 1. Head into that wall or chair. Single leg deadlift. All right. Bending those knees. Pushing 1 hip. With the hips back. 1 leg lifts. Beautiful. Switching legs. Oh, looking good. Squeeze. Come up. Beautiful. Push it back. Oh my gosh, we just have like 7 seconds left. I'm going to go for another one. And 3, and 2, and 1. Last move. Those bicycles. Boom. Boom. 30 seconds. And then we're going to go ahead and get some stretches in and get you on with your day. Nice. How you feeling out there? Good? Right on. Love it. Looking good, looking good. How about 5 more seconds? And 3, and 2, and 1. Nice job. Let's go ahead and start with a nice sumo stretch. Feet out to the side, arms raised. And bring it all the way down. Nice. Take it up. And all the way down. Nice. Take it up. How about a nice tricep stretch there? And you can lean to the side. Beautiful. Other side. Sticking that hip to the side, getting a nice stretch through the body. Nice and light on that elbow up there. Beautiful. We're going to go for a good morning reach, stretch through deadlift. It's that motion we've been doing with the hips back. We're going to let our arms come through. Yeah, just like that. And then raise up. Nice. Push those hands through as far as you can. On up. Squeezing those hips. Nice stretch. Good. Nice. Beautiful. Push it back. And come on up. Let's go ahead and get those hamstrings. Boy, we sure did work those today. We're going to bend those hips back. One leg out, toe up. A little rest on those thighs if you like, or on those hips. We want to stay away from the knees. Nice, and just get a nice stretch throughout the back of that leg. Beautiful. We are going to switch those legs in 3, 2, and 1. Nice. Switch. Ooh, that's kind of stompy. Nice, beautiful. Keeping those feet together. You need a little assistance with that. Use that wall. Nice. And 3, and 2, and 1. Are we feeling a quad stretch? I think so. Let's go ahead again to that wall. Heel into the booty. Oh my gosh, yes, that does feel good. I got a couple of good leg movements in there today. Beautiful. Remember, if you have the opportunity, get out, get a little walk in today, a little bike ride, a little swim, whatever your jam is, and some stretches throughout the day, just like this. You want to grab those a couple times a day. All right, we're getting ready to finish it up here with our hugs. All right, arms open. Nice chest opener. One arm over the other. Give yourself that nice hug. And then we're going to just go the other direction, and I'm going to send you out of here. Good. So open it up nice and wide. Other arm's going to come to the top this time. You're going to give yourselves that pat on the back. Kudos to you. So good to see you this morning. And I am going to see you tomorrow. So head on out of here. Have a great day. Peace. And I'll see you